Okay, so platform width where manholes are provided shall be decided considering the swing of the manhole cover. Okay, manhole will be having its cover with davit arrangement. So manhole cover will open and it may obstruct the platform. So considering that width, we need to decide the platform width. Then top head platform shall be provided if access for vents, instruments and relief wall is required. Okay, last video we have discussed what kind of items are there at top platform. There may be vent, instrument or relief valves. So if all these three items are there, then we have to have one top platform. Okay, suppose we are having columns in a row, more than one column, then we can plan a common platform between that, but those platforms should not be connected. It is preferable to space platform brackets on column equally. Okay, if we are planning three, suppose we are planning a three platform on a column, its bracket should be in a single row, or it should be planned equally distributed to align bracket over each other over the entire length of the shell. Okay, why this is required? This minimizes the structural design and interferences from piping. Okay, if we are having braces in a single row, then we can plan piping accordingly. Otherwise, we'll have to add extra elbows to turn the piping to avoid clashes with the brackets. Okay, on very wide platform or those that support heavy piping loads, knee bracing is required. Okay, that is requirement from structural side, but we need to plan accordingly in the starting. The potential obstruction immediately under the knee bracing must be kept in mind during platform design. So this thing will be taken care by structural team, but we need to plan space considering that much extra space. For example, we were talking about the headroom clearance we plan between two platforms, so we need to plan those things considering this thing. Okay, so this is a list of fundas which we have already covered under a 2-minute funda series, where we are trying to cover the topic within 2 minutes. In few cases it is exceeding more than 2 minutes, but we are trying our best to cover it within 2 minutes. Okay, we have recently started this series under the same oil and gas funda knowledge sharing platform. Earlier we had covered our 14 topics along with 62 videos. Okay, now we have covered we have started this series 2-minute funda, and we have added more than 100 videos here. So into altogether we have more than 200 videos now. I'm sure you are watching it under standard and HD format along with the subtitles. Many more are on the way, so stay tuned. I'm sure you are enjoying the videos. So see you in the next part.